Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase engagement with Twitter, detailed guide step by step clearly. To increase engagement on Twitter, start by optimizing your profile. Use a clear profile picture that represents your brand or personality. Craft a compelling bio that highlights who you are and what you do. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance discoverability. Next, develop a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Analyze peak times when your followers are most active, and post accordingly. Focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Use eye-catching images, graphics, or videos to make your tweets stand out. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase the visibility of your tweets. However, avoid overusing them. 1 to 3 hashtags per tweet is ideal. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Ask questions to encourage interaction and spark conversations. Retweet and share content from others to build community and show support. Participate in Twitter chats related to your niche to expand your reach. Utilize Twitter polls to gather opinions and encourage engagement. Promote your tweets across other social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Collaborate with influencers or brands to tap into their followers. Monitor your analytics to understand what content performs best. Adjust your strategy based on the data collected to improve future posts. Stay up to date with Twitter trends and participate in relevant conversations. Finally, be authentic and let your personality shine through your tweets. This will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.